Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Jimabel Mademoiselle Beata Matasani, and I have just arrived at the University of Minnesota. Boom, 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 boom. I haven't bathed. We took such a long flight, but that's not where I am. I was about to bath, but my roommate is still bathing, so I'm like, okay, while she's still bathing, why don't I just have a quick room tour? Yeah, so we share a kitchen and a bathroom, and then she has her own room. I also have my own room, so please come along with me and let's enjoy. I'm so exhausted, but that's not where I am. Ascola Patina. Okay, so as you enter, this is the main door, and then we have a beautiful kitchen. Very beautiful, trust me. Okay, I've just put the lights on right now. We have a beautiful kitchen, very spacious according to me, yeah. And then we have our fridge, we have a zinc over there, and we have a friend here who's just gonna make our life easy. I think I love this, honestly. And here's our other friend. There's microwave. Yeah, so let me try to open the sides. We have a lot of space. We have such a very lot of space, and recipe for safer cooking, blah blah blah. Okay, all right. And then we still have our other space. I'm not gonna open all of these, but got like this is a zinc. Yes. And then we have a fridge, a huge fridge. If we cook and then after cooking we store our food right here. Actually, this is very spacious, trust me. It's very, very spacious. And it's very clean. And that is the deep freezer. Above the deep freezer we have that, and then the left close room is my neighbor's, and then this one is mine. I'll be back right there. And then we have our bean, of course. We have where we'll be eating with her, so we're gonna eat in the bedroom. No, this is our dining space. So yeah, now the lovely part about before this, let me show you this. So this is what we have. This is what we have this side. And then let me close. And also we have our washing machine right here. It's really beautiful, trust me. Very beautiful. Ta-da! Then let me close. So remember I said this is her room. We are gonna get in her room. And then this is my room. I haven't unpacked. I just came in, so I was like, let me take a bath first. But she arrived first, so while I was preparing, then she went to go in bath. So the rest of me are okay, so that is me right there. Selfinyana kara emira kapela emira. If you get what I'm saying, guys, have a look at my feet. They're very so. Anyway, Ascola Patina, and we have multiple charging places. And as I said, we have not unpacked. I haven't unpacked my stuff. And while we arrived, we were given this card, access card to our rooms, to the main door. I'll show you probably. And then this is the key to my room. And whose name? Please read. Funda. And then we given this sanitizer. And over here, I was busy charging my phone. So this is what happens. The lucky thing is we were told prior that we should bring friendly adapters. So this is what happens here. So I bought this friendly adapter in Bloemfontein. I'll check the name of the store. Let me do this. Okay, the name of the store is here, and this is how much it retailed for. Yeah. So back to where I was. I have my bean, and I'm going to show you the view, guys. I'm going to show you the view, but after this. Then we have where we study. That's my other phone. That's my scrunchie from TDM, one of my cousins. Trust me, this scrunchie is everything. This scrunchie is everything. You don't want to miss it. And then, okay, I said I'll show you the view. Here is the view. Imagine you waking up to this view. Won't you be motivated? And trust me, that is Mississippi River. It's the view for me. Like, it's the whole view for me. It's so motivating. I'm not sure you can see the river, but just have a look. I mean, some places are just so good, guys. You are. So, the bedside. Here's the bed. And like I said, I haven't unpacked some of the things. So, I'm going to unpack and unpack them very well when I'm done. So, when we came, we got such a warm welcome, guys. So this is a bag that we were given, and then I haven't opened the bag as yet, but I can already see some goodies. Okay, we have a bottle. Lucky enough, I already had my bottle, but that's when I'm gonna use it, and I think I love it. It's green and white, and if you know, you know. Green and white resemble beautiful colors of Leribe district, and I love them. And then we have a mask that is the sign for Minnesota. And then we have this small handbook, College of Education plus Human Development. College of Education and Human Development, University of Minnesota. Trust me, we just gonna write. Then I have mine here, but it's not from this. Oh my god, I will come and open this. And we have the pen. We have the pen to focus. Yes, here's the pen. It's the same color as that. And then we have the other mask. I actually have two of the masks. And let me see. And then we have this file, College Education plus Human Development, University of Minnesota, driven to discover. Wow, this is so nice. This is so nice, guys. Obviously, that's where I'll be placing my pen. Wait. Oh, okay. Yeah, that's where I'll be placing my pen and then writing my notes, of course. Okay, and then here are the beautiful sheets, beautiful clean sheets. And yes. And then this is my beautiful travel bag, and that's where I'll be packing my clothes. And I just unpacked my shoes. Yeah, these are all the shoes that I came with. And here's that place right there. So yeah. Yes. And so yeah, that is the bathroom. Wow, so good. Be different. So I'm done taking a quick shower. Have a look, guys. This is what it's called, a banana. Not what I've been eating all along. The short one, no. This one is a banana. So we're just waiting here, waiting for one of our friends. She's taking a bath and then we'll be taking a walk very soon. Yep. Okay, so we're just taking a walk to where we don't know, but we'll see where we headed to. One thing about me, I will eat. I will eat. That is what I will do. I will eat. We're still taking a walk and it's somehow warm, but at the same time kind of cold. There's some wind. I don't know where that wind is coming from, but please enjoy. Hi. Please introduce yourself.
My name is Sophia Lawal.
And she was the one who was welcoming us, guys. A warm welcome. She arrived earlier than us. Hi.
How are you? This is Maya from Uganda.
Yeah. Still walking. Okay, is that the museum or what is this? Unbelievable. It's 10:06 p.m. 10:06 p.m. and just have a look at how sunny it still is and all that. Oh my god. Things that God does. Okay, we're just going back because we're gonna have some pizza, so we're told to come back around 6 to go catch our pizza. So probably I'll meet with you guys there. Bye. Wow, that's so beautiful. Wow. We're going to eat eater. Right now. And this is what I got. So we're off to the pharmacy. It's 7 o'clock p.m. This is a kind of science building thing, so you can see those molecules and whatsoever. Wow. So nice. It is 9 o'clock. 9 p.m. 9 p.m. Holiday. Gonna look for chargers. I think that's, I don't know. Well, no, but I was just thinking. Oh, I actually love this, and if you know why. This is nice. Cause wow. So we got what we wanted, and we're just waiting for one of us so that we leave. So you remember there's molecular and cellular biology. There's this atomic structure. Yo, chemistry guys,